Did you know that you can upload a spreadsheet to the Syndicate website to easily and quickly submit your weekly orders? Let's do it. Head over to syndicatesales.com to sign in. Once you're logged in, hover over your name and choose Quick Order and Upload. On this screen, head over to the right side and click the button Import from Excel. A window will appear with instructions. Click on the first item in the list to download the Excel file template. This template ensures the product numbers are correctly formatted when brought into the website. Save the template to your local drive and then open it in Excel. Fill in the products and quantities you want to order. Or copy and paste them from another document. When you're done, save the file and head over to the website. Click the Browse button to locate your file. Choose Open when you've selected it. Click Upload File, and then watch as your items create a cart. From here, you can adjust the quantities, remove, or even add items. When you're ready, click Add to Cart. Review your cart and click Submit to send in your order. And that's it, an entire order submitted in less than 5 minutes.